Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add your social media account on your Reddit apps. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So now you need to click Reddit. So go to your Reddit apps. So I'm just gonna click there and wait for the home page, and then go to your profile page. So here you can see it right top corner on your screen. So click on this and again click here, my profile, this one, just click on this, and after that here you can see add social link. Okay, so add social link here, so click on this, and then you'll see here a lot of social media here. So you can add up to 5 social media on your Reddit apps. Okay, so I'm just click Instagram in this time, and then you just type your username. So I'm gonna give my username, so this one. Okay friend, at this time it will be loading, so you can easily add this. Okay, you can just give your username here, and then it will be added on your bio, on your profile. Okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my